PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides trusted residential furnace repair in Bensalem, Pennsylvania. Our technicians respond quickly, diagnose issues accurately, and restore warm, reliable comfort to your home. We handle all furnace problems, from strange noises and weak airflow to complete breakdowns. Homeowners in Bensalem count on our honest service, fair pricing, and skilled repairs that keep heating systems running safely. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a residential furnace repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What are the most common furnace problems? Common furnace problems include dirty filters, thermostat issues, ignition or pilot failure, blower motor breakdowns, poor airflow, strange noises, and uneven heating throughout the home. How fast can you come for furnace repair? We can often respond the same day for furnace repair, especially during emergencies, providing fast inspection, troubleshooting, and reliable heating service to restore comfort quickly. What is the service area for your Bensalem, Pennsylvania location? Our residential furnace repair service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Bensalem, Feasterville, Trevose, Wrenenhurst, Torresdale, Andalusia, Cornwalls Heights, Eddington, Croydon, Burlington, Bristol Bridge, Bristol, Newportville, Hulmeville, Winchester Park, Crewstown, Bustleton, Somerton, Hulmeville, Harriman Historic District, and Trinzio-Altuglas, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bensalem, Pennsylvania residential furnace repair service office located? We are located at 661 Bristol Pike No. 103, Bensalem, Pennsylvania 19020. Our phone number is 610-672-3051. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Bensalem.